Focus on owl vision for right-hand fence. Keep eyes ahead. Turn head towards apex without fixating on a specific point.
Every weekend, amateur drivers leave track with gigabytes of footage and zero actionable feedback. F1 teams have millions of data engineers to find breaking thresholds and fix consistency failures. But demonstrating this doesn't require a $1,000 proprietary tablet. The telemetry is already embedded inside the consumer GoPro sitting in the gear bag. The gap isn't the hardware. The gap is the F1 level intelligence required to interpret it. Just drop your raw video file in. PitWall data pipeline extract embedded GPMF metadata, pulling high frequency GPS, G-force, and gyro streams natively. Because the circuit is dynamically reconstructed from physical GPS coordinates, works with any circuit, kart track, or hill climb in the world, turning existing consumer cameras into an enterprise-grade motorsport tool. Welcome to Mission Control, driven by a 60 frames per second deterministic replay engine that turns outside the react render cycle for zero latency execution. Your fastest flying lap is projected as a live ghost entity. The micro ghost delta meter tracks your performance defects at a millisecond precision, showing exactly what structural fractions of a corner cost you that time, the exact instant it happens. We also generate which braking zones and sectors a driver should take on any given map using dynamic data. To prevent AI hallucinations, PitWall uses a unique tool architecture. Deep coaching lines are generated from deterministic telemetry, like two geometrical apex profiles computed entirely before AI is invoked. IBM Docling grounds this in professional vehicle dynamics via local vector index, and IBM Watson text-to-speech delivers it through a custom walkie-talkie audio filter. This isn't a chatbot, this is your engineer. The lines being generated are being generated through a rack pipeline which uses IBM Granite as the base model. When the session ends, PitWall uses spatial coordinate clustering to reconstruct the optimal run your computer will be capable of, but never actually drove. The theoretical best lap engine isolates exact performances from total lap time, stitching your fastest segments into a seamless composite simulation, and synchronizing your real GoPro video frames to every single sector. You're watching the absolute best version of yourself, so that you exactly know which turns to take, which lap times are missing, when and where you're going wrong. The intelligence summary automatically delivers the exact technical debrief a professional F1 race engineer produces. It calculates your true potential gain, a special consistency rating, and spectre split defects mapped against the theoretical limits. Finally, it generates a comprehensive chief engineer debrief via IBM Granite, addressing the driver directly with a tailored strategy priorities for the next session. This is a highly practical real-world application of AI. Three native IBM technologies orchestrated seamlessly. Docling for the knowledge base, Granite for the narrative reasoning, and Watson TTS for cached audio streams. A highly structured AI layer safely on top of a rugged deterministic physics pipeline.
Optimize unsuspended component weight transfer for reduced body roll and improved corner exit speed.
PitWall doesn't replace the driver. It gives them the engineer they were never supposed to have access to.